Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have admin rights and a restore point. This prevents rollback pitfalls. Open Device Manager now with Win+X and choose Device Manager, then expand Display Adapters and select the Nvidia adapter. Once done, right-click the Nvidia device to reveal driver options. You need the Rollback Driver button or Properties for driver details. Make sure to note the current driver version so you can verify the revert later, and remain ready to use Device Manager controls immediately. You now perform the rollback. In Properties, go to the Driver tab and click Rollback Driver. Windows will prompt you and explain why it removed the newer driver. If that option is grayed out, uninstall the device with the checkbox to delete driver software, then install the previously downloaded Nvidia driver version. Use the custom install and select Clean Install to remove remnants. Make sure to reboot after the rollback or manual install, so the driver files fully replace the newer version and services. Finish by rebooting and verifying the driver version in Device Manager and Nvidia Control Panel to confirm the revert. If the system fails to display correctly, boot to safe mode and use system, restore to return to the pre-update state, or reinstall the correct driver there. One key troubleshooting tip. If drivers leave corrupted components, run Display Driver Uninstaller. In safe mode to fully remove Nvidia traces. Then perform a clean install of the target driver. This resolves most stubborn rollback failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.